Hello guys, welcome back to Grass. Grass is having the last epoch. I'm gonna talk about a little bit about it, show you how it works in the background, how to install it, obviously what is that, and let's get into it because I think it's a very good project. It's got a lot of people, so as you might imagine with airdrops, especially free airdrops like this one, a lot of people want it, so there will be dilution, but I'm still farming it. I'm farming it already for a while, I think since April or March, something like, yeah, March 9th, yeah, something like that, and you just run it in the background, nothing there to it. So this is the last epoch, so last chance to get some airdrop. Basically, what is that? It's a project that gathers information in the background from you, like a knowledge graph that can be used by AI models. You provide it, let's say, to them, and obviously in return you get some rewards. And I think after even airdrop is gonna continue gathering rewards, but obviously they want to release a coin that is going to have some value, so hopefully it will make us some money. So as you might imagine, this could be huge because, as they say, there are only two companies in the world that are capable of crawling the entire web. Not sure which ones are they. Probably one is Google and the other one not sure, but as you might imagine, they want to tap into this huge market, provide data for AI, provide data for companies that we are going to give to them. There are some other ones like free airdrops. I mentioned other videos like Noodle and Uprock that do similar stuff, but Grass is probably the biggest of them all. So all you do basically is install, I'm gonna show in a second, the extension in your browser. There's going to be a Android version soon, as I've seen in the news here, somewhere I've seen before. Oh yeah, upcoming Android, so that would be cool. I would like to install it as well. The other projects that I mentioned, Noodle and Uprock, are on Android, so Grass needs to do it as well. And basically it runs in the background, doesn't affect your performance of your PC, and you just gather those points and hopefully get the airdrops or the coins, and that's it. Daily you just simply check it, everything is fine, earn the points, check the epochs, that's it. I verified now the email and the wallet for airdrop, and that's it, confirmed it, that's it. So all you have to do is obviously go to this page, I'll put the link down below, install it, it will connect everything automatically. You'll create an account, which is I think only email, password or username, password, and that's it. You can see it here, you can click open dashboard and should be connected. If you're using VPN, or I tried on the server, it didn't work on the VPN. I think it did work. Might check it out. I had some before, I think it worked, but now I have it switched off, so you just have to check it. If anything is wrong, just switch off VPN, and then as you can see, you can start gathering points. You can also do the referral, share the link, and obviously earn some more. So that's it guys, last chance to join. This will be finishing on August 14th, so less than a month now. Hopefully you can make some get some nice decent airdrop, but as I said, it's completely free, so why not just give it a shot. So that's it guys, thank you for watching.